down the end. I like the fact that we're the only ones here.
It's all ours. The whole thing is ours. They've done a lot of work around here compared to last time. This is a lot smoother than what it was.
Definitely. It's very dry. Do you know what's funny? We probably will be able to get over this now.
Yes. I suppose not giving it a go. The world is your oyster. I feel like we're going to run the rock sliders.
I just couldn't get over it, could I?
No.
It's definitely very, very loose.
Mm.
Scott is doing a drive.
I've been let loose.
Only because there's nobody here at the moment, and it's probably for the best.
And I'm on the flat.
Yeah, well, he did just go up a hill.
I did over a hill, but you had to start afterwards, so it's all a lie.
Yeah, true.
Hasn't been
but
caught.
The thing is, it's like, because he's driving, it's like, nervous.
Nervous times. Trying to plan my next route.
I can feel it.
Left.
I was going to say not down there, because
Not down there.
Don't want to go over the stones.
Don't mind me as I jump off the clutch.
Jesus, I've got whiplash.
Giving Nana whiplash.
Oh, I think that might be the hill that he was on about not doing.
I think so.
Kind of looks like it.
Trying to check for people.
Probably for the best. I think we might.
Can I go straight up and over this?
Go for it.
Well,
What's the worst that happens? You get stuck.
I want to see you probably do that.
I could do that.
I don't know how tilty it'll be.
It'll be fine. Yeah.
I like this course because you're not riding the clutch all that much.
Not really.
I'm actually doing off-roading.
You are.
Look at me.
Good.
Thumbs
Oh,
outside the wheels.
There's another car coming in.
Hey, we've got a friend to play with.
Woo.
Do you think the breakover ain't good? Like,
Yeah, you'll be fine.
that's what I'm aiming for now.
I think if anything, personally, I'd want to hit it from the other way.
But the mud.
I think it's that next one that's going to be an interesting one. I don't know.
I was going to say, I'll go right.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'd want to see what's the other side of that
Yeah.
one, because the angle of it's much steeper. I think.
Freelander's over there.
Do you remember last time I was like, oh my god, sploosh?
Yeah.
I got well excited for the splooshes. I feel like splooshes are a bit, you know. Going for this hill we are. Doesn't even look like a hill on the camera, it just looks like a nothing.
I'm almost tempted to go up that hill. That biggie.
Ooh.
I'll wait for you to do it first.
He said that. I didn't say that, he said that.
Because if you look at it when we go past it, I think it's fine.
Yeah.
I think it's just going to be a lot of not seeing.
For me, it's all the. Oh, it looks like a bush.
Because look, you can go up
Yeah,
and over
I know,
that hill,
looking.
then you go into this next one. It's like, I feel like I
Oh
could
no,
do it
that's
the other way.
fine. I think I personally would want to do it coming from that way. My seat is squeaking quite a lot. If anything, it'd be more gradual coming from this way, but I think it would be better coming from the other way.
That
personally.
leads to... Footage is going to be exactly the same because
Yeah,
I love
that's
my
your
little
nice
route.
little route.
Do you know what? When you're enjoying yourself,
Pickup's over on the left hand, sort of over the other side.
Thank
on
you.
the left hand side.
I don't care if I'm doing the same route. I'm going to do this little mount because you said it was okay, didn't you?
Yeah. Sit somewhat right,
Yep.
and then almost get a little bit prepared to go, you know, left, obviously.
Yep.
But yeah, just don't sit too much left because I think you might just fall off the side. That's it. Welly, welly. Welly, 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 welly. Keep going, keep going. No, you're gonna go back.
I'm going back.
Yeah, you need quite a lot of throttle.
Bit of momentum.
Bit further back. Okay. That's it.
There.
Yeah. Clutch.
Yeah.
There's another car coming in by the look of the gateway at the
What?
top. Not sure what it is, but I can see it's a car. Don't go through the water, Scott.
Not through the water.
God, it stings a clutch.
Yeah. It's because I pulled it. I put the clutch a bit too early.
It's easy enough to do because it's kind of an automatic thing, isn't
Yeah. I thought I was at the crest and I was just before it.
it? Yeah, it's really awkward because you kind of have to gauge it from the front wheels, don't you? Well, that's what I do anyway.
Tipping in.
That definitely feels worse than what I think it is.
Oh, look at that. Gripping all the way down.
Yeah. The majority of the interior GoPro footage is actually going to be you driving. I think it might be a Defender.
Whoa.
Oh, there's a traffic jam up there.
Can I go straight?
Yeah, you've done it before.
That's what I thought.
Oh, oh God. I want to go on that digger.
Do you think that's that big digger?
Yeah. You went that way last time.
Yeah, I was just seeing what that pickup was doing, so I'm going to go round to the left to get out of people's way.
It can only go down that way. Freelander going. Just be careful of them. You might want to keep going.
It's a monster.
That looks wicked.
Doesn't it?
sploosh on the camera, so we're all good.
No sploosh, no money back, no VAT. Don't mind me.
Like your little sing song.
God bless Hookie Street.
Do you sing when you get nervous?
Yeah. Going up my hill, hopefully, if they pick up.
Oh, that's a gamble, because he was over that side. Oh no, he's over there.
He's over there.
You're okay.
Don't know where Freelander is, but...
I know, no. I know
it was behind me at one point.
Not anymore.
I'm padding out this hill.
Yeah.
Can't see.
Sky.
Can see.
Ground. Oh, Freelander's over there.
I'm confused about all this.
What?
Have you done that bit on the left?
Yeah, that was the bit that you walked up. You catch as you're actually going up to it because it's quite rutted.
Why are you not parking zones duty?
Because that's the driver's job.
It's passenger job.
No, not when you're on your own. Go in the ruts.
I want to just start by being out.
Oh, okay, I think you'll fall.
I don't fall in.
Fair dues. You do you. I'm just used to crouching over everything.
Just as if it
Bramble's good. Oh no, you ain't got the window open, so you're fine. That was where the bramble nearly flew in the window. Oh, do you know what I noticed when I went over that bridge? You don't have to watch out that you don't the posts as you're leaving.
Yeah.
Oh, that seems so weird. And it's like, oh, thank you,
I knew it was going to come that way.
Oh, that sounds nice. We've got to try laps.
Alana banana behind the wheel.
Banana. I haven't called that for ages. What did you say looked interesting?
Well, there's a bit through the trees. Like, I think it's that bit that comes out there, but I don't know where you'd link it to.
Doesn't look all that interesting overall, does it?
It's like it looks like it links to quite a steep uphill bit if you fancy gunning it all the way.
Go for this middle bit.
Car straight in front of you in 3,
I
2,
know.
1.
That's all, don't worry.
Peekaboo!
Oh look, he's on his WhatsApp thing.
Aye, you polite.
Recents ago. Look at them with a rangy road. It's quite cool, isn't it?
10 out of 10 for them to bring that car round.
You ready?
Steady. Brace for impact. Oh.
Impact there.
It's always Alana that smacks the bottom of this car so far.
Yeah.
Clear left.
I don't get the reputation for nutting.
That'll be the rock sliders and the car bent in half.
Only a little. Yeah, wait for the day we look underneath, it's like that.
You've just bananaed. You know I said Alana banana at the start of this clip? I didn't actually mean for you to banana the car.
Why not?
That looks like fun to come down.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to gamble for the fact of I don't know if you could tell if there's somebody actually at the top.
I don't see the issue.
Hey, I want to go for one of these downhilly bits.
So do they.
So I haven't done one of these downhilly bits yet, have I?
Probably not.
I don't think.
I think there's a car behind.
I know, it's okay.
I was just telling you.
Don't worry, you wee shit.
This is when you hit the post.
Shouldn't do. Don't see any reason why I should.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Start seeing ground.
I'm all got stuck on the stuff. That's got a lot more resistance initially than what I thought it would have. Don't mind our brakes.
Yeah. Sing. Everything's over to our left.
For the sweater.
Rock and roll.
Ooh, maybe.
I was going to say, it kind of affects your run up a bit.
That was definitely the rock slider.
That might have been the rock slider.
Straight.
Doing its job, yep.
Doing rock sliding. Came off the throttle a bit early then.
You almost did a me.
Almost. It's a very fine line, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hurt my finger somehow. Oh, not now.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, he's done the mountain.
Get a shot of the mountain with the pickup. Sorry.
Black champ. I don't know why I've got the Eye of the Tiger song in my head, which is a bit weird.
I hope you got something motivational if you're doing the mountain.
The Eye of the Tiger, it's the thrill of the fight.
I actually thought it was a different Eye of the Tiger.
Oh, a different one?
Yeah, I was singing a different one in my head. I can't remember. I've got the Eye of the Tiger, the fire.
Oh, Katy Perry.
That's the one I had in my head, which probably says a lot about me.
Need to do a big loop-de-loop.
Not loop-de-loop.
A doop-de-loop. Loop-de-loop. Bit busy now.
Hmm.
That one.
Yeah.
Are you scared?
Apprehensive, but I think you'll be fine.
It's alright, when I get the other side of this, I'll probably be like, actually no anyway, because I've decided it looks steeper. You see my issue with brambles, right?
Yeah. Nana versus mountain. I think you'll be fine, plenty of welly. Yeah. And it's straight, so it's not as if it's got a curve to it. Look at that. What a view.
That's not even that bad. That used to be steeper, didn't it? I think.
Either that or
we've just done that much now, it just doesn't seem that bad anymore.
That's Alana doing that like every 10 minutes now.
Yeah.
Jeep.
Sheep?
Sheep.
Oh, sheep.
Sheep Cherokee.
I was looking for the sheep.
God, could you imagine if it was just random sheep just kicking around?
You never know. We haven't done this from this way before. It sets us up for your hill in a different direction.
What?
There's some bindweed back there.
By the way. Oh, this is fun. I must want to stop and video them going through.
Is he stuck? Oh wow, that's really clayey.
Mm.
Oh no, he's going. Wow, that's really deep.
Hey, Defender power
like a champ.
and traction. 10 out of 10.
I'd have been concerned if that wouldn't have made it through, I'm not going to lie.
But as you said, it's very clayey.
I was actually surprised how deep that is, I'm not going to lie. I can completely see why a Freelander can't make it through that.
Would it swallow our car up?
I was going to say, even though we're lifted and all of that, I think we would struggle.